Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very happy to announce that we have a new member of the GarageBot family. His name is Victor Davila and he lives in Florida, and he has a mean Mustang GT. He's gonna make modifications and improvements to the car, and he's gonna be making videos for us to feature on GarageBot. So let's go to Victor and check out his ride, which is fantastic. Thanks.
Hey, how you doing, GarageBot fans? I want to show you my 2019 Mustang GT. This car has a black accent package. The car is basically in stock. It has an X-pipe and a drop-in K&N filter. Also has some SR lowering springs. Future mods for the car. Right now, I'm thinking on getting some long tube headers and also a 93 tune. That would be in the future. Let's go and see the car and let me know if you guys like it. So this is my 2019 Mustang GT, black accent. I just replaced the wheels for these American Racing 20s. It comes with 19s. Also comes with the active exhaust system. You can switch from quiet to normal to sport. It's a daily driving. Hope that you guys like it. That's my baby right there.